Today, in this video, we are going to be making some profit reselling Apple products like this iPad you see right here. That is right, guys. You heard me correctly. You can actually make a ton of money buying and selling used Apple products. For example, yesterday I drove out to the next town over and I bought a used iPad Air 2 and I also bought a locked iPhone 6s Plus for only $50. And these two Apple products together should make me an extremely good amount of profit. So in this video, I am going to be selling these two Apple products for a profit online, and I am also going to be showing you guys my step-by-step blueprint on how you can start making a couple $1,000s every single month reselling Apple products. Now everyone, the first thing that pretty much every single one of you is wondering is how do you get a hold of those Apple products for such a cheap price? Now it has to do with posting ads on places like Craigslist or Facebook Marketplace saying that you pay cash for iPhones. Now next up, I'm going to be showing you guys a clip of me explaining exactly how you can post successful ads for buying smartphones or Apple products. Alright everyone, so as promised in this clip, we're going to be going over how to post successful ads on both Facebook Marketplace and Craigslist saying that you buy Apple products. And for me to explain this to you guys, we're going to be hopping on my computer right over here. And now that you guys can see my screen, you see that I am on Facebook Marketplace right now. So we're going to go over here and click sell something. And then once we click that, we're going to go over and click item for sale. Select the category. Since we're looking for Apple products, we're going to select electronics and computers. And then for what are you selling, we're literally just going to type in iPhone X. I'm going to explain everything later on why we're doing this. And then for the price, we're going to put in something along the lines of $300. So in this case, I'm going to put $325. And now for the photo, we are going to be selecting an iPhone and cash. So the image that I used for this looks a little bit like this. It is an iPhone X with a bunch of money. Now that we have the title, the price, and the photo all laid out, we are going to be filling out the description. Now follow through with what I am saying very carefully. I am literally going to type for the description, I buy Apple products. And between every single letter that I write, I am going to be putting a star. And this is because you're technically not allowed to post ads like this on Facebook Marketplace, but a lot of people do it anyway because the site has so much potential reach. There are so many people looking to sell their Apple products on Facebook Marketplace, and that's why ads saying that you buy Apple products on Facebook Marketplace do super well. So we're going to be doing it anyway on this platform, even though you're technically not allowed to do it. So this is what we're going to be doing for the description. Okay everyone, so my description is now complete and it says I buy Apple products, message for a quote. So I kept it super simple and I made sure that Facebook Marketplace bots won't detect what I am writing in the description. So just to summarize real quick, for the title we have iPhone X, for the price we have $325. We added a cool image with an iPhone X and cash for the picture. And then for the description, I put I buy Apple products, message for a quote. And I am sure I'm going to be getting some messages now from people who are interested in selling me their used Apple product. Next up, I'm going to be posting an ad on Craigslist and I'm going to be showing you guys the process just like I did with Facebook Marketplace. Now, as you can see, we are here on the Craigslist homepage and we're going to click create a posting. And once we do that, we have a few different options on what type of posting we are listing. And we're going to click wanted by owner. And now once we do that, you can see we have to fill out a bunch of information for our listing. For the title, we are going to be doing I buy new, used, or cracked Apple products. Craigslist isn't quite as strict as Facebook Marketplace with people posting ads for buying phones. Sure, your ads may still get taken down, but you're not going to get banned on the Craigslist platform. I haven't really heard of that happening. So the next thing you want to fill out is the price for your item. Let's just do $500. After you've done that, you're going to go down here to description. And what I normally do is I literally just write, I buy new, used, or cracked Apple products. And what I do also is I include some of my basic contact information like my name and my phone number. And once that is done, you're going to scroll down here to contact information. You're going to show your phone number and you're going to allow people to call or text you in regards to your iPhone or Apple product buying service. Once that is all done, you're going to hit continue. You're going to add an image, and then once you add your image, your ad will literally be all up and running, and all you need to do is click publish. Now that I have shown you all how to get Apple products for extremely cheap, it is now time to list this iPad Air 2 on eBay, and we're also going to be selling this iPhone 6s Plus to my private buyer for a profit. So to start, we're going to work on selling this iPad Air 2, and to do this, we're going to be taking some pictures of it, and then we're going to be listing it onto eBay. Okay everyone, so the photos of the iPad Air 2 have been taken, and now it is time to list this iPad on eBay for a profit. Okay everyone, so I just filled out my eBay listing for this iPad Air 2nd generation 16 gigabyte. I have it listed on eBay for $109.99. So now it is time to go ahead and click list item. And now my iPad Air 2 is now officially for sale on eBay. With the iPad Air 2 now officially being listed on eBay, it is time to focus our attention on selling this locked iPhone 6s Plus 16 gigabyte. The sales process for this device is a lot safer and a lot more guaranteed than selling the iPad Air 2. What we're going to be doing to sell this phone is we're going to be messaging my private buyer with some basic pictures and a description of this phone, and we're going to be getting an offer on it. I just sent a detailed message to my private buyer of the phone I'm trying to sell, and hopefully he responds with an offer very soon. Since this phone does have a lot of scratching and it is iCloud locked and an older model, I'm hoping to get $25 for this device. I only have like $5 into it, so making $25 on a $5 investment isn't bad at all. Okay everyone, so it's been about a day since I've listed these two Apple products online, and to my surprise, both of them have ended up selling. I ended up receiving a total of $35 for the iPhone 6s Plus locked. I am very surprised at how much my private buyer offered. I thought I would only get like 25 bucks for it, but I ended up getting 35. And on this iPad right here, it ended up selling in about 30 minutes on eBay for a total price of $109.99. Now we're going to go ahead and package these two Apple products, and we're going to bring them to the post office to secure the profit we made. And then once I get back from the post office, I'm going to be telling you guys how much profit I made in total on these two Apple devices. So everyone, let's get going. So everyone, we are now back home, and before I tell you how much total profit we made reselling those two Apple products, I want to remind you that if you have not already, please be sure to drop a like and also subscribe to the Financial Wolf channel if you have not already. Now, on the iPad Air 2, we made a total profit of $42.71 after accounting for eBay fees, PayPal fees, the item cost, and of course, shipping. And then on the iCloud locked iPhone 6s Plus, we made a total profit of $26.19 after accounting for PayPal fees, the item cost, and shipping. So together on those two Apple products, we made a total profit in this video of $68.90.